Hi sir, this is Manoj and my registration number is UR15CS151, and now I am going to explain a program about a row major column. Now hash include IO stream is the main header file used in this program, and IO is nothing but input output, and using namespace std is used to include all the functions in the program. And now we are going to initialize one dimension, two dimension and three dimensional program. And now to initialize one dimensional int asterisk comma int and two dimensional int asterisk comma followed by four ints, and three dimensional is for int asterisk and it is followed by five ints. And now coming to main part, now int a of size 10, b of size 10, c of size 10 and I, j, k, m, n, that is ba, that is nothing but base address or variables. And now character is nothing but y and s we used here in this program. Now in this program we are using do loop, and now prompt the user to give address calculation operation. And now that will in output that will print like one, that is option one dimension address calculation, two dimension address calculation, three dimension address calculation. And after that it asks the user that enter your operation. Now if user gives s, and it will go to switch case, and in switch case if he gives that any number, and it asks enter the base address to be calculated, and I is nothing but the value which is used to, which the user gives, and ba equal to ampersand a of I. Ba is nothing but base address and a of size. And now print base address is base address ba, one dimension of ba comma I is the value which user gives. And now break means in switch case we usually use break, and this statement is generally used to break the statement in middle and should continue the next case. And now case 2, prompt the user to give enter the order of matrix. M is nothing but row and n is nothing but column, and enter the order to be searched and I comma j, and the user needs to give assigned values of I and j. And now prompt the user to give base address, that is in two dimensional, and again break. Now in case 3, prompt the user to give enter the order of matrix. And now after giving the enter the order of matrix, the address means which address he needs to calculate, he used to give that address in the output. And now this is ba is equals to ampersand c size of I comma j comma k. I, j, k are the values which the user used to be to the address to be calculated. In the three dimension we used base address I value, j value, k value, mn. And now default means wrong choice. If we press any wrong choice means we are giving here one dimension, two dimension, three dimension as three numbers, and if we press 4 or 5, that is wrong choice and it will be printed. And if you want to continue the operation, we used to press 1 to enter more, that is y/n. Y is nothing but s, n is nothing but n. No. Now this while ch is equals to y, or this is or operation used program to enter choice and return value, the value goes back. And now for one dimensional int asterisk base address, and I is nothing but the value, and x is equals to base address plus I into size of that value. And now single dimension, if we type 1 and if we give the values assigned, it will come size of single dimension. And if we give into two dimension, we used to press int asterisk base address int I, int j, int m comma int n. And now r is equals to ba, that is plus I into n plus j into size of int, that c is equals to ba plus j into m plus I, size of int. These two are the formula to calculate the base address. Now prompt the user means if he wants the row measure, he wants row measure form and column measure form. The base address will be displayed according to row measure and column measure. And now this is 3 dimension, and in 3 dimension we use int star asterisk ba, int I, int j, int k, int m and int n. And now these two are the formulas used to calculate 3 dimensional array, that is I star m star n asterisk plus j asterisk n plus k into size of int p is equals to ba, that is base address, plus j into m asterisk n plus j asterisk m plus k size of int. Now prompt the user that also address in row major form, address in column major. These two will display according to the values which the user is giving. Now we'll check this program, we'll run this program. Now it is asking that 1 dimension address calculation, 2 dimension address calculation, and 3 dimension address calculation. Then suppose I am the user, I am giving that to 1 dimension address calculation 1. It is asking that enter the address to be calculated. I'll press 0. As it is one dimension address calculation, we supposed to give only one value, that is 0, and the base address for 0 is 0x60 fe64. And now it is asking want to enter more, as we use the choice or operation, and I want yes, that's why I am giving y, yes. And now 2 dimension address calculation I need, so I'll press 2, and it enter the address of matrix. I'll press 2 and 2, enter the order to be searched, yes, 2 2. Base address, see it is displaying row major and column major. Row major address is 60 FD8C and column major is 060 FD8C. These are in the hexadecimal form. It is asking want to enter more, yes I need, so I'll press y, enter, and it is asking same, and I'll press 3. I want 3 dimension address calculation, so I'll press 3, enter. See again it is asking enter the order of matrix 2 2. And now I used to give 3 values, that is I, j, k, and now 1 2 0. And now this is base address generally, and this is row major address, and this is column major address. And now it is asking want to enter more. I'll press n, so the output is terminated. Thank you.